Zoisha.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day in quarantine. Yeah, we're just here. I was actually just recording my intro because I'm gonna be doing the Don't Rush challenge. I seen it and I was like, listen, I want to do it. Somebody reached out to me and was like, let's do it. So you guys can look out for that. Obviously when it is done, I'm gonna post it on here so you guys can see, you know, maybe in this vlog, maybe depending on how soon everything is edited and going up or whatever the case may be. Even if I want miss up on this a challenge, yeah, because this was just something fun to do while in the hospital. Wanna see how I start? Wanna see how I start? Wanna see how I start? Wait to the finish. So this is my starting outfit, my little onesie. Yeah, me get the little brush. Yeah. Me get the little brush. Yeah, yeah, don't work for me, don't rush. Okay? So yeah, now I gotta fix up myself. This was a good little idea because I have 2 videos that I want to do. I know for sure I want to do my little wedding update video, and then if I can knock out, I gotta see if I can find my glue gun. I want to do a DIY video. So I just gotta see how much time I have. What time is it right now? Actually, it's like 5 o'clock. Sprouted, it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. I thought I turned off this damn speaker. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys to look out for it. I'm burning my candle, my currency candle in the scent of rain. So funny, one of my girlfriends came over yesterday, come a cook, and she come collect our dinner. And as soon as she walked into my room, because I had them in the box because I wanted to post it on Instagram as well. So as soon as she walked into my house, she was like, Zoe, what kind of air freshener you use? I said, I'm a candle and I don't even burn it yet. So that's how you know the smell is potent, but potent in a good way. Like, you guys support her, like support her. The candles are 20 US, but trust me, worth every penny. You guys gotta support small black businesses, especially in a time like now. She's a Caribbean girl, hello. So yeah, she's in love with the scent Irie, but Rain still have me away. But yeah, Irie can't go and still, no, I'm not telling a lie, but I'm just burning it now. So this is my first time using it. So far so good. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna go pretty up myself, I'm gonna go get ready. Come on, for record my ending parts of the videos, yeah, before night really come down. Come on, a little extra light, isn't me? So yeah, that me I go do right now. I'm watching 90 Day Fiance currently, yeah. So yeah, see you guys. Yo, this was a lot. I had to shave. I still have to shave my legs. Well, maybe, because I don't know if the video I'll go catch my foot, but yeah, it's a lot. Just for I forgot about to take it off on my face, but something to do, because hello people, I just be sleeping on my days off. I just be sleeping, ain't nothing to do, and I just don't have the, I thought I was gonna have the energy to like record, but I'm like, record what? I think Friday I'm gonna record like a daily routine, which ain't really nothing, because all I be doing is eating, sleeping, watching Netflix, eating, sleeping, watch a little bit more TV, eating, sleeping, sleeping, so till my back I ate me, come here and sleep, you see me? But yeah, I'll be back. Oh. Yo, that zoomed up a little bit. Jesus. Okay. Wow. Can I get a wow? Oh, she's awful coming here. Let me put this on. Don't rush. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of quarantine. I'm about to go on the road because I gotta get something from the store. I was supposed to go to Walmart, but my sister went by my mom's house where there's a Walmart that I would normally go to, and she was like, yeah, no, don't go. The lineup is ridiculous. Yeah, because there's lineups to go into pretty much every single store except the one that I'm about to go into. Well, I need to go to two stores because I need to get some cheese. I want to make a dip. And yeah, so today's Friday, April something. Y'all, it's day. Like every day is the same day pretty much. Like I woke up today and I was like, oh, it feels like a weekend, but every day friggin' feels like a weekend nowadays. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. Yeah, so I thought I would take you guys with me. Initially I was thinking I was gonna be going on the bus, but I don't think I'm gonna be going. I might go to my mom's later just so that I can get up early and go to the Walmart and get what I need and then come home, because there's something that I need to do and there's some stuff that I need to mail off. So I really do need to go to the Walmart, but I really want to go like as early as possible. So I feel like if I'm at my mom's, I'll be able to get up early because it's literally across the street. So I'm thinking maybe I'll go to my mom's later on today, so maybe I will be able to take you guys on the bus just so you guys can kind of see how things are going. Last night I'll try to include the clip on here, but like they taped off the seats so that we can practice social distancing. They were trying to do it in a way where there's only 10 people on a bus, but people like are just still hopping on regardless, because I feel like people just aren't realizing the severity of everything that's going on. I don't watch Canadian news. I keep up with Jamaica just because it wasn't so I mean, I feel like I'm always keeping up more so with Jamaican stuff rather than stuff that's going on here, just because, yeah. But Jamaica initially only had 80 something cases, and they jumped up to 105 cases because there was a call center that's located in Portmore that had 30 something cases, and now that went from 105 to now 143. So Jamaica today is currently at 143. Well, as of yesterday, they're April 16th. Yeah, because today is the 17th. They were at 143 cases. Who knows where it's going to go today, because all those people mixed and mingled and it looked like they were asymptomatic. So they weren't showing signs, or they were just ignoring it, because a lot of people in Jamaica right now are just really freaking ignorant to what the hell is going on. So who knows who they mixed and mingle with right now. Babe is on lockdown for 7 days, probably gonna be longer, just because with everything that is going on. They were only given 2 days where they could go out to grocery shopping or whatever the case may be, which was Wednesday, the day after they announced the lockdown, and tomorrow. So that's life right now. Yeah, like I was here stressing because I was just like, damn, you know what I'm saying? And it's crazy because the Tuesday I was like, as soon as I found out, I messaged him and I'm like, babe, like, you know, your wagwan, da-da-da-da-da. And he was just like, yo, my gas no run out Wednesday morning and put on him pot for make stew peas. Gas done. Luckily he was able to get yeah, luckily he was able to get, so he should be good for a week at least, minimum. So yeah, I'm gonna go on the road. I gotta pick up some stuff from the store. So as I said, I decided I was gonna take y'all with me. Why did I just put this on and I gotta put on my mask? I'm gonna take y'all with me. And yeah, I was really trying to be proactive today, but I don't know, I'm just in a very depressive state. Like I don't want to do anything, so I don't be really doing anything. So let's go. Let me see what I can catch, what kind of footage and stuff I can catch for y'all. Yeah. And this week it started snowing. So what? It's crazy how now we gotta include these into our daily routine. I don't have an N95 mask. I was on Amazon trying to see if I can get one. They don't ship out until like the ending of May, even though it's considered essential. Yeah, and like there's a lot of things on Amazon that I'm trying to get right now, but if it's not essential, I can't get none, because I was trying to get me a toy, because girl, it gonna look like I'm gonna need one, okay? So anyways, let's just get ready. And y'all don't mind my apartment, it's in shambles. But we gonna get it together eventually. Do I need a bag? Okay guys, so you gotta, you know, try not to touch it with your hands. We got signs in our elevator. Only 3 people at a time in an elevator. These are some serious times. All I can see around us is just virus and crime. Literally. Virus and crime. Oh God, help me. Oh. Anyways, it's gotta stay how it's on right now. So yeah. You got everything about COVID. Whatever. So I'll be back. Okay, so I lied. There's a lineup. Practicing social distancing. Yeah, so we gotta wait in line for everything now. The grocery store, the pharmacy, any store. I mean, except clothing stores, because those things aren't open except for online, but everything, there's a lineup. The other day I waited in line at the grocery store for about an hour. I went inside and they didn't have what I wanted. So it's like, I get it, but it can be such a convenience as well. But welcome to the new normal. Anyway, so there's only 15 people allowed in the store at a time. So like, it's mad empty. Like, they have directional signs on the floor. You know, it's crazy. It's a crazy time to be alive, guys. But we're alive, I guess. So that's all that matters. I need a wooden utensil. So let me look for what I'm gonna look for, and then I'm gonna come out of the store. Okay? Okay, bye guys. So guys, I'm back. I had to wash my hands before I picked you guys back up because we're coming inside from outside, yeah? And outside is not too clean, yeah? So, I just wanted you guys to see when I come in, all of my bags are literally left at the door. This is my work bag. I'm gonna leave everything, the grocery bag that I'm gonna come home with. Yeah, everything is left at the door because, yeah. So, first things first. Where's my spray? Oh. First things first, what I do is I take my good old handy dandy Lysol and I spray my doorknob. Yeah, everything also. I spray my keys. The jacket when I wear go out the door, that gets spray. Yeah. And I take my wipes. My good old Lysol wipes. And my wipe down my phone them. I got 2 phones. Okay, normally I would do it better thoroughly and stuff, but I can't really do much with my camera in my hand. I should actually as well, because he did touch it. Because y'all, I do gloves, but only sometimes, and I'm very meticulous, if that's the right word, when it comes on to like wearing the gloves. Like I know how to like maneuver myself to not touch anything. So like me and the gloves them. All right, so the next thing that I do is I take everything out of the bags. So I'm gonna take everything out of the bag then, and I either wipe them off with the Lysol or like rinse them off. So I'm gonna just give it a good rinse. Everything, whether it's a go wilt up or not. Now is not the time to be fancy Nancy. Yeah, just wipe everything down. Because, baby girl, we are staying corona free. Okay, okay. It's not bad. That's not bad. So yeah, guys, that is my going out and my coming ins, all my do things. I'm about to make my little afternoon snack, and then I don't even know what time it is, and then rest up a little bit, and then I think I'm just gonna go over to mommy's and sleep over there. So if I do go back on the road, I will take you guys on the road just so you guys can kind of see the journey, what it's like on public transit and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I do. Right now I'm working Tuesday evenings, Wednesday evenings, and Thursday evenings. So I have Fridays off, Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays. So for the most part, I do just stay home. Sundays, normally I go check my mom, or like if she needs anything done, like I'll go on the road and get it for her because she's at risk. She's, you know, older, so she's at risk. So I try to take the burden off of her by going out and getting stuff that she would need. But normally I do that for her like during the week when I'm at work, because of where I work, I can do that. So yeah, I'm gonna make my, as I said, my afternoon snack. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog so far. If I do come back, I will come back. If not, like, comment, share, subscribe. If you are new, if you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. You guys stay clean, stay healthy, turn on your yard, wash on your hands, cough in your sleeves, or don't cough, none at all. If you're feeling sick, stay home, you guys. People, stay off of the road. This is not a joke. This is serial, regardless of whatever anybody else thinks of what else may be going on or whatever the case may be. People are actually dying. People are actually getting sick. And yeah, we want us all to make it to next year, the following year, the year after that, if God says so. So until next time, and I love you guys. Please stay home because I want to go back to real life. Okay? This ain't it. This is not cute. Okay? Okay. Bye, guys.